How to log into WayFair Community Bank credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in Community Bank login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Wayfair.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of sign in. You have to click on that option, click on sign in again. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the email address. Then click on continue. And in the next page, you will need to type in the password and click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this was really simple and quick process. This way you can easily log into WayFair Community Bank account. Once logged in, you can access the credit card. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.